How do you give them feedback loops with AI?
The feedback loops that I've created has been more, here's the rubric. I'll put the rubric into Gemini and I'll say, can you generate different questions to help students reflect on how they approached the rubric? Really small. But also that's something I don't have to do anymore because Gemini's doing it for me. So I might regenerate a couple of those questions, maybe regenerate them to be a little bit more student facing rather than teacher facing. Depending on what grade level you're working with, you can ask it to create reflective questions specific for second graders, right? But what I love about AI is that it helps us be more productive and less time spent on the stuff like creating the questions and more time spent with students.
Actually, one thing we've started doing with AI for our ADHD kids is when they're done with their project, upload their project and the rubric. Because I know even on projects growing up that I worked really hard on, I would miss parts of the rubric. And they could tell me right away what I missed. So we've seen that work really well in high schools as well. It's like, oh, you missed these parts. Let's just do these real quick before you turn it in.
Yeah. Well, and what I'm really excited about, my school district in Saint Vrain Valley in Longmont, Colorado, we are going to be piloting a new AI program next year that is student friendly. So we can actually have it be student facing, but the teacher can create spaces within the AI where you put in the rubric and you put in different resources, but those are the only resources that the AI is pulling from to give feedback, or students could research, but you've provided the specific sources.
That's super cool.
Isn't that cool?
For good or for bad, that's probably where we're going in education.
It
right?
is, but how great to have a space where students can do that, because I work in a district where they're really concerned about student privacy, as they should be. And so ensuring that the programs are keeping student privacy safe is at the top of our priority list. And they found a program that they're going to be able to do that.
That's awesome.
I know.
Thank you so much for watching. If you're ready to dive deeper, check out the free resources linked below in the description.